Hi everybody, Mrs. Macheski here with your very last video overview for your virtual learning assignments. Congratulations, you've made it through the fifth grade curriculum. All right, so let's jump right in. So these assignments are going to be for the week of June 1st. We do have a full 5-day week this week, so I've updated the calendar and adjusted it back so that we have the full 5 days to complete everything. All right, so in our language arts row, you see that we have two Nearpod modules for you to work on this week. These are both passages along with review questions to answer for the passages. These will focus on the learning objectives that were introduced to you the previous week. So you're going to be looking at questions that deal with cause and effect, and you're also going to be looking at things involving Greek roots and how to understand word meanings using them. So for both of these Nearpod modules, your learning objectives are the same, and they are: I can explain the cause and effect relationship between two or more individuals, events, ideas, or concepts in a nonfiction text. And the other learning objective is I can use Greek roots to figure out the meaning of a word. So both of these passages are going to be nonfiction, they'll be informational, and you'll be answering some comprehension questions afterwards. Here I've linked EPIC, as always, to your book club reading. I just simply encourage you to continue reading. You can use EPIC or you can use books at home that are at your reading level. The EPIC subscription is available through the month of June. I believe the last date will be available is June 30th. You can sign up for a free 1 month trial at home. So if you're really enjoying the Epic app, I would wait until my access ends. And then if you want to try a free trial, you can do that during the summer as well. Your math assignments, you can go to your math calendar to view. So we'll go down here. This week, we're going to be focusing on science. So this will be our last week working with our science unit, dealing with motion and design. This week's focus is going to be learning about the 3 laws of motion, which Isaac Newton wrote. So your learning objective is, I can describe Newton's 3 laws of motion. So you're going to be watching a video clip and then you'll read a summary and you'll be doing a little activity to summarize what each law of motion is, learning about each one. Here in the Unified Arts category, you can go to your Google Classrooms to visit and see what your assignments are for that week. And then here I've linked your non-digital library activity, which is optional, but it's something that you can work on at home. Okay, down below, let's look in the notes section to see if there's anything new. So down here for our Zoom sessions, we will have a Zoom session on Monday. Monday's focus will be on reviewing what cause and effect is and how we can understand cause and effect and recognize it in informational texts. The focus of Wednesday's Zoom session will be to kind of do a virtual version of what would have been our Arrowhead fifth grade trip. So I invite and encourage everyone to come along with me on a virtual picnic. So if you want to spread a blanket out in your house, or if you want to go on your deck, or if you want to go out in your yard and spread a blanket, bring some yummy snacks. We'll have a little picnic together and chat, and then after our picnic, I'm going to have a virtual nature walk that we'll be able to go on together. So explore some nature, so that'll be fun. Guidance is posted here. So Ms. Sarah Canis is in the process of reviewing everyone's Naviance assignments from the fifth grade. She will be contacting families if she's missing something from you on her end. So if you see or if you get a message from Ms. Sarah Canis, you may need to finish something for her. Okay, over here we see that the goal is to have these assignments completed by 3:30 on Friday. If you feel that you need an extension or you need to continue to work on the assignments, you can always message me on Google Hangouts and just let me know that you're going to continue to work through the weekend. That's fine. I will provide feedback on what your participation rate was in the Google Hangouts app, so you can look for a message from me at the end of the week. And as always, our Unified Arts teachers are available. This links you to their email addresses if you have any questions about any of their assignments. All right, so thank you everyone for a wonderful, wonderful job. I'm so proud of all of the hard work you've been doing at home to complete all of these assignments, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.